In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Advanced Features. Then you need to scroll all the way down to tap on Dual Messenger and click on grey sweater next to any available app you wish to clone. Hit Install in the pop-up to confirm your choice and wait. If you wish to use a separate contact list, use this sweater here. Click on it, tap on Select Contacts and pick the ones you wish to add. Then hit Add at the top right corner. So now when I go back, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and use no blue sweater next to it. Then hit Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!